Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best leather protector is probably one of the most important investments you can make to preserve the beauty and longevity of your leather furniture. This video will guide you through the top-rated leather protectors available on the market today, comparing their features, benefits, and ease of use, helping you choose the perfect product to keep your leather furniture looking its best for years to come. Number 5. Leather Honey Conditioner. For over 50 years, Leather Honey has been the trusted choice for leather care. It's the perfect solution for all your leather needs, from furniture to shoes. It deeply penetrates to protect new leather and restore dry, old leather. This non-toxic formula is free of silicone, solvents, and animal products. Soften and moisturize your leather furniture, car seats, or shoes. It works wonders on all colors, including white leather. Perfect for boots, purses, and more. This time-tested formula is water-repellent, non-sticky, and fragrance-free. It'll protect your leather all year long from the elements. Made with high-quality, non-toxic ingredients, it's safe for people, pets, and your leather. Enjoy 6 months of lasting protection. Leather Honey is proudly made in the USA. Our premium formula has a cult following among leather experts and enthusiasts. What we like? It's non-toxic and made in the USA, so it's safe for your family and the environment. Its deep penetrating formula provides 6 months of protection. If you prioritize safety and quality, and want long-lasting protection for your leather goods, this is the one for you. What people say. Used on my sofa and love seat. Looks brand new and very soft. The conditioner gave the leather a soft, muted shine that's elegant and not overly glossy. I also love that it doesn't leave any sticky residue, just a smooth and natural finish. My leather jacket is back to normal. Number 4. Chemical Guys Leather Kit. It's more than just cleaning, it's restoring your leather goods to their former glory. This kit is the perfect solution for all your leather needs, from car interiors to your favorite jackets. This isn't limited to cars. Use it on furniture, shoes, bags, any leather item you own. Keep everything looking and smelling its best with this simple 2-step process. First, clean to remove dirt and oils. Then, condition to nourish and protect, leaving your leather soft, supple, and smelling fresh. It's the key to maintaining the beauty of your leather goods. The cleaner is pH balanced, colorless, and odorless, gently removing dirt and oils. The conditioner, with its subtle leather scent and vitamin E, helps reduce daily wear and tear, keeping your leather looking its best. Chemical Guys isn't just a brand, it's a community of car enthusiasts and leather lovers. We're dedicated to providing top-quality products and world-class support. What we like? This kit offers both a cleaner and a conditioner, ensuring a thorough clean and luxurious finish. The pH-balanced formula is gentle yet effective. If you want a complete cleaning and conditioning solution that leaves your leather smelling fresh, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Easy to use, great quality, the product really cleaned up and conditioned my leather handbags. Just after cleaning one section of a very dirty seat, you can really see the difference in the condition of the leather. The leather felt softer, more supple, even better than I remember it being when she first got the car. Does a great job cleaning and a wow factor job shinning and moisturizing. Number 3. Furniture Clinic Leather Kit. This kit has earned the Good Housekeeping seal after rigorous testing. It's been proven effective and meets high-quality standards. You'll receive a complete leather restoration kit including cleaner, recoloring balm, protection cream, sponge, and cloth. Everything you need for a professional finish. Start by using the leather cleaner to remove dirt and grime. This ensures your leather is perfectly prepped for the next step. Next, apply the recoloring balm if your leather is absorbent. Then, use the protection cream to condition and protect your leather for years to come. The recoloring balm is only suitable for absorbent leather. Test your furniture with a drop of water to check before applying. We're confident you'll be happy with the results. Our experts are here to help if you have any questions before or after your purchase. What we like? It boasts the Good Housekeeping seal and includes everything you need for a complete restoration. The recoloring balm helps revitalize faded leather. If you need a comprehensive solution to restore your leather furniture to its former glory, this kit is for you. What people say. First, I love the cleaning solution. It's pretty darn powerful. You do want to apply enough so that when you squish the sponge it creates a foam to apply. The balm reminds me of like a silky soft butter. It applies nice and smooth. Got this initially for black leather truck seats. Works great, just need to be mindful that it will change the color of contrasting stitching. However, it worked so well on my truck seats that I got it in another color to manage scratches on my leather couches. Works beautifully and is so easy. There's no noticeable smell and is a thick not quite paste. I rub it on with a sponge and rub it off with a discardable piece of fabric or paper towel and the results are amazing. Unless you're intently scrutinizing every inch, you'd never notice there was a blemish on the leather. The cleaner and the conditioner worked excellent. Number 2. Weiman Leather Cleaner and Conditioner. Say goodbye to dirt and grime. This cleaner and conditioner will gently restore your leather's natural beauty, leaving it soft and supple. It's so simple. Just apply it to your leather goods and watch it work its magic. One easy step conditions and protects. From furniture to shoes, this product is perfect for all your leather needs. Use it on your favorite bags, couches, or car seats. It contains UVX-15 sunscreen, protecting your leather from sun damage, fading, drying, and cracking. Keep your leather looking its best for longer. Give your car's interior a luxurious refresh. It's perfect for cleaning and protecting your car seats and other leather surfaces. Restore your leather's shine and protect it from the elements. It's the perfect solution for all your leather care needs. What we like. It's easy to use and provides UV protection to prevent fading and cracking. It's suitable for various leather items. If you're looking for a simple yet effective solution with UV protection for your leather goods, this is a great option. What people say. Works perfectly on our sofas and the interior of our vehicle, spreads easy and wipes up great. This cleaner conditioner brought new life back into that old couch. It cleans any leather effectively and leaves the leather looking like $1,000,000. A bottle lasts a long time and the spray functionality works great. Number 1. Chemical Guys SPI_208_16 Leather Cleaner. This leather cleaner gently removes dirt and grime. It's safe for all types of leather, from fine natural hides to synthetics. The pH-balanced formula is tough on dirt but gentle on your leather. It preserves the leather's look and feel, extending its life. It's a water-based formula, so it dries quickly and easily. Just mist it on, wipe, and you're done, leaving no residue behind. This isn't just for car seats. Use it on jackets, shoes, furniture, anything leather in your home or car. Cleaning doesn't have to be a chore. This cleaner makes the process quick and easy, so you can get back to enjoying your leather goods. For best results, clean your leather with this product first to remove impurities. Then, follow up with a leather conditioner to keep it supple and protected. Chemical Guys is trusted by both beginners and professionals. We offer superior products and expertise to help you achieve amazing results. What we like. It's colorless and odorless, making it ideal for all leather types. The pH-balanced formula is gentle yet effective. If you need a versatile cleaner for all your leather items without altering the color or leaving a scent, this is it. What people say. The cleaner effortlessly lifted away dirt and oils, restoring the leather's natural beauty and suppleness. This is a good, non-harsh, relatively neutral cleaner for leather and leaves no residue or added conditioners to the leather. It doesn't leave any residue after cleaning. No harsh smells. Not super shiny afterwards, but you can definitely tell a difference. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.